Hello friends, today in this video I am going to tell you how to make 135-degree angle using compass. So let us begin. First let's draw a line again. Like to make an angle, you should always first draw a line which I will make of 8 centimeters. You could take a random line and then you should first make an angle of 120 degree. Let me show you how to make 120. I've told you in one video how to make an angle of 120 degree. You should just simply cut and you should just simply make a 2/4 of a circle like this, and then you should put in here, as you guys can see here, this compass this point here, and cut one arc here. Wait, let me do it correctly. Yes, one here, and from this point again you should cut one more arc here. Now this point should be connected with this point. Let me show you guys. As you can see here, I'm gonna connect this both points like this. So after connecting this point, as you guys can see, this arrow and this arrow, the angle between these two is 120 degrees. Let's here 120 degree. So this is 120 degree. We should make 135. So now we should divide 120 and 180 degree angles. You should divide these two. Means with these two means if we see this side, this angle will be 60 degree. So we should divide this angle into two parts. So we will get 150, and when we will divide 150, 150 angle we will get, and after getting 150, between 150 and 120 the angle will be 135. Let me show you guys how to divide. Again I'm gonna do the same. One arc here and one arc here. For dividing I'm showing you guys one arc here, and from here we should do two arcs, one here and one cutting that previous arc. Yes, so now we should connect this both points, as you guys can see here. As now we will connect this both points. After connecting this whole angle from here to here, this line and this line is 150 degree, and this is 120. This line between the angle is 120. Now we should again divide it into two parts. So for dividing again I'm gonna do the same, and let me show you. So again we'll cut here one and one over here. So I will connect it again to this point, and this is not conform. You can take this, means I took this angle, this you can take with a random measurement. No need to take a fixed measurement, random measurement. So this angle, this line, the angle between this line and this line should be 135 degree. So let us check. I will take a protector, and now let me keep it here correctly. So as you guys can see here, one minute guys, wait a minute. Yes, can you see it's 135 degree angle? I will show you. As you guys can see guys, it's 135 degree angle here. As you guys can see, I will put it correctly guys, 135 degree angle. And this is how to make 135 degree angle. And you can just be dividing to make a 15 degree angle. You can make many angles using this dividing trick. You should just keep on dividing, then you can make many angles. But if you will, means 15 degree, like 15 degree, 15 30, like this angle of gap 15 degree, you can make it easily, because if you will divide 15 into two parts, then it will become in point, in decimal it will become, and then it cannot become a correct means angle, like it cannot become a, it can like whole number could not become a whole number one. As you guys can understand, it is easy for 15 degree, like I guys will show you here. You can make you can make 90 degree, 15, 45, 90 and many other angles using the dividing. I have told you in the first video of using compass to make angles, how can you use how can make angles of 15 degree gap. So go and watch that video. For today, this one's really for today. Thank you. Bye bye.
I've been popping, man, I feel just like a rock star.